Alright guys, here's another video for you about oranges, because I love oranges. They're round and orange and round. So, this is Ivan here. Typhoon, you might know him. And we'll be having a orange eating contest. You have to eat down these 3 oranges and the minimum amount of time. Alright, Evan, are you ready?
Yeah.
What the hell is this? Alright, Chris, give me the go.
Okay. 3,
I want to choke.
2, 1, go!
Why is it?
These are some juicy oranges.
Uh-oh.
Off the camera.
Next video, we should make an orange peel battle.
We have a lot of peels.
We should just throw peels at each other. Ivan!
Chuck
No,
that.
I'll be
Chuck
videotaping.
that.
There's
And I'll be
Lewis.
videotaping.
You know what? All those viewers who are still watching this, give yourself a pat on the back. Because I would have probably been asleep by now if I was watching this video.
You still gonna eat that? Ivan will.
Oh, what should I do with this? Should I just like...
Just eat it.
Do the chubby,
I'm gonna wash
do a chubby bunny, do a chubby bunny video with an orange.
Yeah.
Chubby bunny.
My mom always told me, take your time.
He never told you that.
Shut up.
I don't want to laugh, but I don't want to laugh.
Ew, why is there a bunch of peels in here? Ew, what is that?
That's because it was in my mouth. Okay, ready?
Ew, this is so gross.
face. Look at it. Chubby buddy.
Jimmy, that was in his mouth.
Oh my god.
Last one.
Where's the garbage?
Winner.
Probably.
Him a wiener.
He's a wiener.
Jamie, clean all this up.